Guys, it's a beautiful day. Hear the birds chirping. What happened? Hear the birds chirping. And the bugs on the ground. And our apple tree with green apples. There will be lots and lots of bugs on the trees. There will be lots of bugs on the trees because they're gonna be feasting on the apples and our veg and our fruits that have fallen. Well, it's just all apple trees, but they will be feasting on the apples have been fallen. See the flies, see the crickets, see the ants that have been falling. What if I just made it rain? I'll hold you guys for a little bit. Be right back, you say. I'll make it rain. Actually, gonna make it rain. Okay, guys, ready? See the water? So, let's see, I'm gonna squirt them, see? Okay guys, I'm going to just let you listen for it. On the next video, you're just gonna listen with the birds chirping. It's gonna relax you, okay?